Are you happy that the Mahakumbh is in your city?
ये पूछ रहे हैं कि आपके टाउन में मतलब प्रयागराज में कुंभ हो रहा है, कितना भव्य हो रहा है, तो ओवरऑल आप खुश हैं? बहुत खुश है.
He's really happy.
He says he's very happy.
And has he been him? Have you been yourself to the Mahakumbh
ये पूछ रहे हैं
and done the dip?
ये पूछ रहे हैं कि आप कितनी बार संगम में या 45 दिन में वहाँ पे जाके स्नान कर पाए? हाँ, he could not go even once.
Really? Oh, okay. Is it not usually this busy around here like this?
ये पूछ रहे हैं. He says he cannot quantify the level of traffic, normal time and during the scope time.
Oh,
For the last 45 days. What he has been seeing for the last 30 days,
Yeah.
35 days, more 10 days to go.
Was he here the last time it was on 6 or 12 years ago? And does he remember?
He was in Bangalore, so he has relocated recently.
Oh, that's where we came from. All right, thank you. How many times have you drove to the Mahakumbh?
Daily Prayagraj se Lucknow.
He's saying 14 trips. He's saying the last 15 days, this is the 15th trip.
15 trips? Okay. And how has it benefited your business and your salary?
खर्चा सब निकाल कर.
खर्चा निकाल के बचा है मान के चलो मुझे 20-25 हज़ार.
So he says he has made a net revenue of about 25,000 extra.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Which he would not have made in a normal day.
Have you had any peculiar passengers?
ये मत करो, वो मत करो,
कुछ
गाना मत
पैसेंट
करो.
ऐसे थे कि मेरे को जाना है तो वहीं तक छोड़ कर आओ. नई गाड़ी जाए तो भी लेकर चलो. चाहे 4 घंटे खड़े रखो चाहे 10 घंटे रखो लेकिन लेके चलो. पर हमारा कहना था हम नहीं जा पाएंगे यहाँ से आगे. पापा को चौराहा तक ठीक.
So what he's saying is where we have been dropped, that is the ideal point because beyond that we are not allowed. Otherwise he will get into trouble with the local cop.
Right.
Please take us as close to the Kumbh area.
Okay.
So these are very adamant passengers, but he had to finally refuse them and say that if he does it, he will be in trouble. And the very adamant customers, which happened in the last 15 days.
And have you been to the Mahakumbh and how did you find it?
कैसा experience है?
खुद ही गया हूँ. कस्टमर के साथ आया था मैं खुद भी चला गया था. 10 किलोमीटर चल के गया अभी चल के आया.
So he has been once or twice. Second time was a bit convenient. First time he had to walk 20 kilometers up and down.
Wow. All right. Well, thank you. Are you from this area?
Yes.
How does it feel for the Mahakumbh to be in your area?
Good.
You're happy?
Yes. I am.
Okay. Have you visited the Mahakumbh?
Yes.
Okay.
Regularly, every Isnan I do.
Oh, okay. You've been on the important days? Okay. And how has your experience been going to the Mahakumbh?
जो अरेंजमेंट जो अभी देखा, इतने लोग आ रहे हैं,
बहुत बढ़िया.
लाइटिंग, सिक्योरिटी जो भी
Really
है.
good.
बढ़िया था. इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
So he says that looking at the amount of people, arrangements are very good. It is holding up well.
Okay. And how did you deal with so many people at the Mahakumbh?
हेल्पिंग जैसे कि हमारे जो भी हैं जितने भी लोग आ रहे हैं अगर हमारे धर्म से जुड़े हुए हैं, हम लोग ब्राह्मण हैं, ठीक है, और सबसे बड़े सनातन से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो जितने भी लोग आ रहे हैं तो हमारे कहीं ना कहीं से वो जिस चीज़ को हम फॉलो करते हैं वही चीज़ को वो फॉलो करते हैं. तो उनके साथ हमारा जो भी सहयोग है अच्छे से अच्छा है और बेहतर है. उनको किसी भी प्रकार की अगर हमारे सामने अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो उनको मदद की जा रही है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके साथ ऐसा बर्ताव किया जा रहा है कि उनको बुरा लगे या मैं यहाँ कैसे आ गया, इस जगह पे कैसे आ गया, ये सब सारी चीज़ें.
So what he's
Okay.
saying is, for example, he's a Brahmin
All right.
by Varna. So he's saying a lot of people who are coming, they are helping. A lot of people have a lot of uncertainty. They are trying to help people in as way as possible by giving information, guiding them.
Yeah.
So as a local citizen, they are very proud of having, and they are trying to do whatever best possible, so that people who are coming from other parts of the country or even from abroad, whatever, since he's conversant in English, he's
Yeah.
able to reach across.
That's really good then. Bringing the community together, strong. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
एक और बार हर हर महादेव.